Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for academic excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So, today we'll be starting exercise 9.1 of Class 6 Mathematics, Chapter 9. So, I hope that you have revised the concepts that have been delivered to you in our previous videos. Along with that you have made certain notes regarding the same. So, without any further delay, let's start. Okay, so exercise 9.1, question number 1 says, in a mathematics test, the following marks were obtained by 40 students. So the set of people who have been taken data of are 40 students, and the thing which has been recorded is the marks in the mathematics test. Arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. Okay, find how many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7. That is the first task. And B, how many students obtained marks below 4. So there are two tasks which have to be performed. So first of all, we will look upon the data that has been collected and try to analyze it in order to organize it in a tabular and a much more meaningful data. So the marks obtained are 1, 3, uh, 4, also 2, and 4, and then 5 has also been obtained. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, also 6 has been obtained, 7 has been obtained, 8 has been obtained, and 9 has been obtained. Therefore, the marks range between 1 to 9. That is the range of the marks that have been received by students, 40 students in a mathematics test. After that, what we'll do is that we just need to find out these two things. So rather than arranging the data in different sets of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, we will arrange the data as per the question demand. That is more than 7. So 7 or more. That will be the first column, and the second column will be 4 or below. And after that, we will start counting. I hope you are okay with this approach, because the ultimate goal is to answer the question. And for that, the shortest and the easiest approach will be better, rather than making the whole table and then answering that and then accounting different sets of marks again and again. That will lead to multiple manual involvement, will increase the chance of manual or calculation errors. 7 or more. So 7 or more, I just start counting. You can also count in your mind on your own. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10, 11, 12, only 12. So 7 or more is a total of 12, or remaining will be, either you can do the counting, or you can just make 40 minus 12 and you will get the answer. So I'll do 40 minus 12. What will be the answer? 10 minus 12 will give you 8, and 4 will become 3. So 3 minus 1 will give you 2. So this is the answer by subtraction, and let us see what is the answer we get after counting. So after counting, 4 or below. Okay, no, this will not be possible, because we are not accounting the marks that are related to 5 and 6. Okay, so this will not be the answer. I am sorry for my mistake. So 5 and 6 has not been accounted. Therefore, 4 or below will have to be counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. होगा 15, and the remaining is 15 plus 12 will give you 5 and 6 वाला answer. So 12 plus 15 will give you 27. That will be subtracted from 40. That will give you 3, and 3 minus 2 will give you 13, and that will be 13. So this is the total organized data of the above raw data. So answer is 7 or more, that is 12, and 4 or below, that is 15. So looking at this particular class of 40 students, I suppose or I conclude that the students are below average. That is, they are getting a total of maximum number of marks, that is 4 or below. So that is something below average. And 5 and 6 are also average marks. So this is an average class. And 7 or more are very less, that is 12. Coming to the next question. Following Question number 2. Following is the choice of suites of 30 students of class 6. So 30 students of class 6 is the set of people that are being asked question or surveyed, and the choices are choice of sweets. So laddu, barfi, jalebi, rasgulla. These are the various things. So laddu, barfi, jalebi, rasgulla, and any other? No. So laddu, barfi, jalebi, and rasgulla are the four categories among which the answers have been taken. So part A says arrange the names of sweets in a table using tally marks. So what we'll do, we'll just make an organizing table or a tabular data, laddu, barfi, jalebi, and rasgulla, and we'll just make a line. After that, we'll just make the number of votes that each one has gotten. So laddu is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, uh, 10, and 11. So laddu has got 11 votes, barfi 1, 2, 3. Okay, only 3 votes for barfi. Jalebi will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That will be 7. And rasgulla can either be subtracted from 30 after adding them up, or you can just count them. So rasgulla will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that will be 9. And after that, we'll just sum them up. So 11 plus 9, 20, plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 30. Therefore, our counting does not contain any calculation error. Also, we will do the same for this one, and that is 12 plus 15, then 13. So we'll also count that. Pardon me for 1 or 2 minutes, but just to make sure that the answer is correct, and that is 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and therefore the answer is correct. We have not encountered any manual calculation error. So we have organized the data as laddu, barfi, and jalebi and rasgulla. After that, we'll attempt the part B, which sweet is preferred by most of the students, that is laddu. Least preferred is barfi, and jalebi and rasgulla range in between. Coming to the next question. Catherine threw a dice 40 times and noted the number of appearing each time as shown below. So here the number of the people or the subjects who have been interviewed are the dice throw. That is 40 times. So 40 times the dice has been thrown. That is the subject over here. And what are the choices? That are the faces of the dice. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is the raw data that has been given to us, and we have to make a tabular data and enter them using tally marks. Find the number that appear. So tally marks are basically the stick marks. So in the previous questions also you can use this and mention them. For example, if 13 is mentioned, you can just write it like this. and that will be the tally marks. And after that, you can just write it as 30. And the part says minimum number of times and the maximum number of times, and find those numbers that appear an equal number of times. So let us start counting that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1 will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 times, and 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 times. 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 times. 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 times equal to its value. 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That is 10 times. And 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 times. After that, we'll just add them up in order to make sure that there are no manual errors, and that will be 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 10 will be 32, and 7 will be 39. So 1 is calculated less. So we'll just make sure if anyone does not have a dot with it, and that will be uh, this counting part is very okay. This 5 has not been counted. So this 5 has not been counted, therefore 5 is 11 times. Now it is 40. Make sure make the table and enter data using tally marks. You can use this following symbol and enter that in the following fashion, and it will be good to go. So minimum number of times, that is for 4. This is the least one. Maximum number of times is for 5, that is the maximum. Find those numbers that appear equal. So there are two numbers that appear equal, that is 1 and 6. They appear equal number of times. Coming to the next question. Question number 4. Following pictograph shows the number of tractors in 5 villages. Just give me 10 seconds. Okay. Following pictograph shows the number of tractors in the 5 villages. Each symbol represents one tractor. Observe the pictograph and answer the following questions. Which village has the minimum, maximum, how many more tractors, comparison, and total number of tractors in 5 villages. Okay, so first of all, what we'll do, we'll just write the actual number by writing the value in digits. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, this will be 5, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this will be 8, after that this will be 3, and this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is the total numbers. So coming to part 4, that will be 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 8 is 19, plus 3, and 19 plus 3 is 22, plus 6 is 28, if I am not wrong. So 28 is the answer for part 4. Part 1 and part 2 can be mentioned as the minimum one will be this one, and the maximum one will be village C. How many more tractors village C has as compared to village B? So that is the comparison, and that can be done by just doing C minus B, that is subtracting B from C, and that will give you the answer that 8 minus 5 is 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So total number of tractors village C has as compared to village B that are more are 3 tractors. Coming to the next question. Question number 5. A number of girls students in each class of coeducational middle school is depicted by the pictograph. Question says observe the pictograph, answer the following. Which class has the minimum number? So minimum number, and this is the number of girls in class 6 less than number of girls in class 5. Okay, how many girls are there in class 7? So there are three tasks that are given to us. So first of all, we will start by writing the actual value. Each symbol represents 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fours are 24. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and a half. So uh, 4 fours are 16 and 4 into half will be 18. So this will be 18. After that 1, 2, 3, 4 and again full, that 5 fours are 20. Then it will be 3 and a half. So 3 fours are 12 plus 2, 14 and 2 and a half. So that will be 4 twos are 8 and plus 2 that is 10. Then it will be 3 and 4 that is 4 fours are 16 and then it will be 3 fours are 12 and then it will be 1 and a half that is 4 and 2 6. Half represents 0.5 into 4, that is it will be 4 into 0.5, or you can just do 1 upon 2 into 4 and that will be 2 will cancel out 4 two times and 2 into 1 will be 2. That is the answer. Part B, which class has the minimum number of students? That is the answer will be class 8. This has the minimum number of female students. Part B, is the number of students in class 6 less than number of students in class 5? So we will compare class 6 and 5. So this means that class 6 students are more than class 5 students. So the number of students in class 6 less than number of students in class 5? No, that is actually the opposite. Number of students in class 6 is more than the number of students in class 5. Part C, how many girls are there in class 7? So class 7 is equal to 12 and that will be the answer. Coming to the next question. Part 6, or sorry, question number 6. Question number 6 says the sale of electric bulbs on different days of a week is shown below. So they each represent two bulbs. How many bulbs are sold on Friday? So first of all, on Friday it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 twos are 14. That is the answer for part A. On which day were the maximum number of bulbs sold? So maximum is this one. So 1, 2, 3. That is Sunday. So the answer is Sunday. No need to calculate. Part C, on which of the days same number of bulbs were sold? Let us see the pictograph, and are there any same? Yes, Wednesday and Saturday. So Wednesday and Saturday will be the answer for part C. Part D, on which days the minimum number of bulbs were sold? Minimum are also the same, Wednesday and Saturday. So part C and part D will have the same answer. If one big carton can hold 9 bulbs, how many cartons were needed in the given week? So for that we'll have to calculate. So what we'll do, we'll calculate cumulatively. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. And we'll do 43 into 2, that will give us 86. And 86, and there are total, one carton can hold 9 bulbs. So what we'll do, we'll just divide 86 by 9 and the answer will be at our hand. 9 nines are 81. So that will be 6 minus 1 is 5, 8 minus 8 0. So decimal point will be added and then 0 will be added, taken over here. That will be 50. So that is 9 7, that will be 9 6 9 5s are 45. That will be 45. Then again 50 and so on. So therefore 9.5555 will keep on continuing. And as per our previous chapter of decimals, we know that a bar is used to denote a repeating decimal, and that represents the repetition. So 9.5 boxes. So one box cannot be cut into half, otherwise it will not be able to be packed. So therefore the answer will be a one step greater, that is 10 boxes. So 10 boxes will be the answer, or 10 cartons will be the answers. Coming to question number 7. In a village, 6 fruit merchants sold the following number of fruit baskets in the particular season. That is, okay, Rahim, Lakhanpal, Anwar, Martin, Ranjit Singh, etc. sold the maximum number. We have done this type of question. How many fruit baskets were sold by Anwar? This also we have done similar. Merchant who have sold 600 or more number of baskets are planning to buy a go down for next season. Can you name them? So nothing you have to do. You just have to calculate the ones who are having more than six symbols. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. So anyone having 600 or more will be taken into account. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, तो यहाँ से नहीं, यहाँ से होगा. So anyone who has who has crossed this line will be named as those. So because this is 7, this is 8, 9, 9.5, and this is 7 and 8. So the names of the merchants are Anwar, Martin, and Ranjit Singh are planning to buy a go down for next season. This summarizes the answer. So with this, we conclude the exercise 9.1, and I hope that you have found our way of teaching and solving the questions suitable and appropriate. In case you have liked our videos, do hit the subscribe button also, and if you have any suggestions for us, comment in the comment section, and or you can reach us out at any of our social media handles like LinkedIn or Facebook. Also, if you have not made any notes till now, I will suggest you to make a notebook specially for mathematics and start making notes, start writing down the questions, start solving them, and that will help you to excel in the chapter of mathematics and grow a strong foundation for the senior classes. So till the next time we meet, goodbye.